Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating the extension folder and immediately authoring manifest. JSON so Chrome recognizes the project. Explain why manifest version, 3 matters and set name, version, description, and the minimal permissions you need. Next, add icons and a simple pop-up. HTML to test UI quickly. Create a background service worker file if you need persistent behavior, otherwise use event-driven scripts. Once done, keep the folder organized. Scripts, styles, assets, this reduces errors when you load the unpacked extension. You now implement the extension's core. Write pop-up UI and content scripts to inject or modify pages, and implement the service worker logic to handle events. Explain how messaging connects pop-up, content, and background. Use runtime. Send message and on-message listeners and validate responses. Make sure to access Chrome. Storage safely and use async patterns to avoid race conditions. While coding, reload the extension in Chrome. / extensions and watch the console for script errors so you can iterate quickly and validate behavior. You finish by thoroughly testing across scenarios, different pages, incognito if enabled, and permission-denied cases. Increment the manifest version, then either pack via Chrome's developer mode or zip the folder for store upload. Explain why clear descriptions, screenshots, and privacy declarations matter for review. Once published, monitor logs and user reports and push updates frequently. Troubleshooting tip: if something fails, check console errors and manifest. JSON syntax first: a single missing comma or wrong permission commonly breaks loading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.